Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review and tutorial on the Lilly lashes in the style San Diego. Now, there's a million reasons why I absolutely love this style. I personally am from San Diego. I love the smaller length to the longer length, flared out look that it has. I love that it is a strip lash, so it's beginner friendly. It's super easy to apply to your lashes. It's cruelty free. I love the quality of Lilly lashes. It's always amazing and high quality in my opinion. This retails for $11.99 for one, and if you do want to save money, it is 3 for $29.99. But let's get into this tutorial. I personally have smaller Asian eyes, so the San Diego style is a little bit longer in length. What I'm going to do is cut off the inner corner because I love the longer length, the flared outside so much that I just want to see what it looks like when I just cut the inner corner instead of the outer corner, which is what I usually do. So this is what it looks like all cut up on both sides. I'm gonna apply it after the glue gets a little tacky, and then use a regular tweezer to apply it directly on top of the lashes and carefully. And that is definitely one of the steps, in my opinion, that makes a good application for false lashes, especially for strip lashes. And you definitely want to be careful because you can apply it wrong or the glue will get messy. So next I'm going to go ahead and use a lash applicator, which is another essential tool to have. It's a must-have item to have to bind the natural lashes with the false lashes, and that creates a one lash look, which is what your goal is or should be, or my personal goal is. And I've done this a million times, so I think I've got it down, and I just keep pressing them together. And here is the before lash application of my eyes naturally, and here is the after using the style San Diego, which definitely improved my lash look and glam, soft glam look 1,000 times over. But that was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.